All right, y'all. It's cold out here. It's middle of January. It's snowing. Sucks. Have I ever told you guys how much I hate snow? I hate snow. Can't stand it. One of the main reasons that I bought all these things is because I hate snow. I hate winter. Now I cheat winter. It is 60 in here. And it feels like spring. It's beautiful. Beautiful lettuce. Cucumbers. Tomatoes. It's spring in here. Anyway, eat your hearts out. Sorry. Kind of a cool view of the lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes.